Oh yeah. Hell breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you do that thing over there, homie. Let's go. Cause I'm feeling like I'm in the feeling like get away, get away, better know that I don't, and I won't ever stop. Cause you know we're gonna win every day. If you wanna pop me, just know that you will never flop me. And I'm never gonna be a little cocky. Oh, you ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come in, I gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow it, then I gotta show every little thing, and I gotta make it, doing it, that I'm gonna put it, and I gotta get it, then I'm gonna anything, and anything about a bomb, but a big, and do a lot of things, I make it clever to a company, and tell all the man that I gotta get it again and again and again, and I gotta get it again and again and again.
Yeah. All right.
Are you not ready for dubstep? Yeah? Okay, for those that don't know what dubstep is, this is where it starts to get a lot more technical. Are you not enjoying it so far?
Yeah.
Thank you, the 5 people at the front.